This is Hugo with Just Digital, and I want to shoot a quick tutorial on how to add custom fields to the contact record so you can collect a lot more information inside of your Infusionsoft account. So you can see the different tabs up here where you can do account info, custom fields, and this allows us to find different things or collect different information inside of the forms that we're building inside of the campaign. So this is a sample contact record, and it can appear here, and you can have different questions show up here. That's one practical application for it. The other application for why you would want custom fields is let's say you have a form, a contact form, or some sort of lead generation component that you wanted to add different fields to that aren't the standard field, the field snippets here, to collect more information from your leads. Then that's where custom fields come in handy. So I'm under the campaign builder, under field snippets, other, and then it's which field do I want to use. So here would be my custom fields, right? I can either hit create a custom field, and it's going to ask me to create it inside of here. But I like to set these up ahead of time so I can be strategic and not just have a bunch of custom fields inside of the contact record, because then it can get pretty messy. So I'm going to walk you through how that works. So if you go to your main navigation, under admin, settings, under custom fields, you can select custom fields for the company, at the company level, the contact record level, and so forth. So in this case, I'm going to add custom fields to the contact record. I'm going to click go, and you can see all the custom fields that are already here. So in this case, I'm going to add, actually there's a good article in Infusionsoft that I'm going to pull up here so that you can see. I'll link this in the description of the video, but here's the step-by-step instructions. The tab goes into these little tabs up here. The header is just a text description, and then the custom field is either drop down the text area or the text field that you want. And I'm going to walk through the step-by-step instructions. This actually lays it out a lot faster, but under here I'm going to go to tab. I'm going to create a new tab, click add. This tab is I'm going to call it client, let's say I'm going to call it case details, because this is one of the examples that I'm going to do. Save tab, and then I'm going to add a field, and the field is going to be and let's see what the balance on your account, right? And this would be relevant to the particular client or case that you're dealing with, right? So in this case, I just want to know something simple. Actually, let's do how much do you owe. So this is for a tax resolution company. So I'm gonna hit text, and show advanced options, select where I want it to be. I want it to be under case details, and I got to create a header for that. So this is going to be intake questions, and then click save field. It actually didn't save, so I'm gonna go back here to show advanced options under case details. I thought I created the header. Intake questions, click save this field. And now you can see here under case details that under intake questions, it asks them how much do you owe. Now if I'm going to go here under campaign builder and create a form, so I can go to web form submitted, actually I'm going to call this one intake questions, or depending on what your naming conventions are, you name it whatever you want. Go to field snippets like I did earlier, click other, and then how much do you owe, right? I can see that specific field. I can change the label, but it'll still always go to that same thing, and I can say whether it's required or not, and there you go. That's how you add it. So you would think about what are the things that you need to have, what is the information that I need to collect from this contact record on a regular basis, and set those up. So this is a test account, so these are just some sample ones, but that's how you would create custom fields for the order or for form submissions inside of Infusionsoft.